The first step is to sign up using the special link that you see on the screen down below, or just click the first link in the video description. When you sign up using that link, you'll get 90% off of your first 6 months, which is a better deal than what you'll find even on the Xero homepage. Once you click that link, you'll join me on this page here. Click Get 90% off for 6 months. Then enter your contact details to get started with Xero. Once you've entered your details, scroll down and click Next Confirmation. Xero will send you an email, so open your inbox, find the confirmation email, open it, and click Get Started. Choose a password, then click Activate your account. Then add in your business details, then click Buy Now, and Xero will start setting up your business. On this screen, you can compare all the Xero plans. I'll choose the early plan for this video, but it's worth knowing the differences. The early plan covers all the basics, but it does cap you at 20 invoices and at 5 bills per month. The growing plan removes those limits and adds Xero's auto reconciliation, and the established plan adds extras like project time tracking and multiple currencies. If you're not sure, start with the early plan, and you can always upgrade later. After choosing the plan, you'll see that the 90% off is applied for your first 6 months. From here, choose to continue. There aren't any available add-ons for the early plan, so I'll continue to the billing account. On this screen, create your billing account by adding your business address. Then continue to review and pay. Enter your payment details, and then click Confirm to purchase. Once your subscription is confirmed, click Done. Then Xero may ask you a few questions to personalize your onboarding. Don't stress too much about your answers to these, because I'll show you how we do everything inside the app. Just choose the best answers to complete the questionnaire. After answering the questions, you'll likely land on the home page. If not, you can click this tab to get there.